How to fix package invalid error in Fortnite? First step, restart your device, close Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher, open Task Manager, search for background running apps of Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite, end the task, then move on with next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, select Change Settings, scroll down, search for Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app in the bottom side, click it, click browse, go to C drive, program files, Epic Games. If you go launcher folder you get the Epic Games launcher. If you go Fortnite folder you get the Fortnite application. Click it, click add in the bottom side. After enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Next step, open run and type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, click OK, scroll down and search for Epic Games Launcher folder, click it, click save to folder, delete the web cache. Once deleting after, move on with next step, open Epic Games Launcher, click it, click library, click the three dot icon, click manage and click verify files, click it and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it, so be patient. Successfully verified. One more time, click the three dot icon, click manage, click the installation folder, click it, click Fortnite Games, binary, click Win64, click easy anti-cheat and double click the easy anti-cheat setup. It should run like this. Do it for 2 to 3 times, close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network setting, click network reset and click reset now. Click yes and reset.